This is Black and White Construction. We're here today at 912 Hounds Chase Drive in Durham, North Carolina. We're here to do a repairability test. First things first, I want to show you the shingle we'll be doing the repair to. Show you the top two rows, showing that there's no creasing or granule loss involved. What we're going to be doing is looking for granule loss and creasing of the top two rows. This will show us that the roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage. Just set up here. All right. Okay. Looks good. So today we'll be using our roof snake. First things first, I want to first show you we will not be lifting our shingle above 45-degree angles. The 45-degree angle is right there. Let's go ahead and begin. Okay. Loose. Alright, easy. Alright. Alright. Of course, it gotta get stuck on the fiber. That's matting here, huh? Oh, yeah. There we go. Easy. Alright. Alright. And as you can see, we do have creasing throughout the shingles. One good rain, they'll all wash out and we'll be left with creased shingles that look just like the ones we had before the repair. This goes to show you that the roof cannot be repaired. Thank you. Have a great day.